Hi buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I have something new. We have the Nokia 105 here. This is the box the phone comes in, and we're gonna go ahead and look what we've got here and how we can set it up. So this is what it looks like when we open it. We have the phone, and then we have it'll guide our battery and then a cable, so our charger. We'll put that aside, and this is the phone, and it's unlike everything else we have here. So let me figure out how we get that started. We need to open the back here first to insert the battery, and then this is what it looks like. We have space for 2 SIM cards actually, so now we can go ahead and insert our battery here, and hopefully that's charged. So we'll put these contacts here to these contact thingies, I don't even know what it's called. Then we close the whole thing. And to get the phone started, you need to press the button here, so the declining button. Keep pressing until this pops up. So now, okay, pretty sure you just heard that jingle, so we need to wait a couple seconds. And now we can set our language, and we can go ahead and choose the one with the buttons here, so up and down. And we have a few languages we can choose from, just like on any other phone. We're gonna go ahead and select English. Done. Okay, so we have no SIM cards, and now we have time settings, so we can say clock, time format, 24 hours or 12 hours. We say 24 hours, and now we can set the time. Let me check real quick on my watch. It's 8:56. So we can say 8 and then go to your right here with the arrows. There we are. Okay. Time is set. Alright. Can say date setting, select that, and it's the, oh, what is it actually? I think it's the 5th of September. Yeah, September 2023, that's fine. All right, date is set. And do we have more? We have display of time and date, show clock or hide clock. Okay. So you can decide here. What else do we have? Auto update of date and time. Confirm first or off. Sounds good. This is so different to everything else like I'm doing here. And then we are back to clock. Okay, so we can go back now, and then this is kind of like our home screen. And we have the radio here, so we have the FM radio. Then we also have our menu here. We have contacts, call logs, radio, calculator, we have settings, and some games. Then we also have our calendar, we have Snake, we have a flashlight, an alarm, and what do we have here? Messages. Alright, so that were the first steps, I guess, on this really nice little thing, the Nokia 105, and we'll go ahead, insert a SIM card, and yeah, go through some things we can do on this phone. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.